both in Uganda and in Somalia, you can help to unite these countries. Not only within Uganda, united within itself, Somalia, because in Somalia you hear of the clans, Hawiya, Darod, Isaac. There's another one which I cannot pronounce. Now, if you are a businessman, if I am Darod, Siad Bari, and a Hawiya comes to buy from my shop, is that Hawiya a friend of mine or not? I should welcome him. I need everybody to buy, as many people as possible to buy from me. And that's why we, in the NRM, we talk of patriotism, unity within Uganda, Pan-Africanism, unity in Africa.